Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to enable dark mode on App Store on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, you can see dark mode is not available on App Store on iPhone on iOS devices. Guys, if you want to enable dark mode on App Store on your iPhone, so keep watching this video until the end because I have a amazing tip about. And guys, by this method you can enable dark mode on your App Store on iPhone. So first of all, open setting application appears on screen. Here scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now scroll down here guys. Now tap on pre-app setting. Tap on it and tap on add app from here and tap on App Store. You can see and now tap on App Store again and tap on smart invert. You can see appears on screen. Tap on it and tap on from here. On from here. Now go back and close this window and open App Store application appears on screen and guys, you can see dark mode now available on your App Store. So guys, if you want to enable dark mode on your App Store, you can enable by this method if you want to. Now please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.